Please, if you have a hard skin, pick from the 2 I mentioned that are for hard skin people. So if you have a softer skin, you should pick from the 3 I mentioned that are for soft skin people, okay, or sensitive skin people. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and if you're seeing me for the very first time, you're welcome. Please, in this channel we just talk about skincare product reviews and beauty tips. Let it touch your heart today to support me, okay? Just tap on the subscribe button and also turn your bell notifications on so that anytime I drop a new video you'll be notified. And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always being with me. In today's video I have 5 scrubs that I want to share with you guys, and I will as well be sharing with you how you can use it effectively to achieve a glowing and a lighter skin, okay? So if it sounds like something you've been interested in, please keep watching. Welcome back guys. Why do we even talk about scrubbing? Why do we scrub our skin? Is it really worth it? Do you think we should skip that part? Exfoliation helps to get rid of dead skin cells, thereby opening our pores so that our skincare product will penetrate and work better, okay? So sometimes you will wonder why your skincare product is not working on your skin whereas it's working for others. Probably you've seen your friend using a particular lotion and it's working well on her, and you think you should get exactly the same lotion and it will work the same way on your skin. There are so many factors that will affect the way that product is going to work on your skin, coming from your skin type, the way you use it, and how you scrub. Do you really scrub your skin? Do you even do it properly? Scrubbing is very important. It's very crucial if you want to take your skincare journey to the next level. You need to be scrubbing your skin at least once a week, and you need to get a good scrub. Don't just buy any scrub in the market and start using. You need to get a good one, the one that matches to your skin, the one that your skin accepts very well, okay, so that it will not end up damaging your skin. That is not what you want. I know you don't want to damage your skin. You just want to make your skin glow. What I want to tell you about scrubbing is that scrubbing is good, but it's not good to over scrub your skin. Do not scrub your skin too much, and you need to listen to your skin anytime you are using your skincare product. Listen to your skin. Your skin has a way of reacting to any skincare product you apply on it. It has a way of telling you that this product is good or this product is not good for me. So you just have to be very attentive. You have to be very sensitive. You need to listen to your skin so that you'll find out immediately when your skin is reacting negatively to any new skin product you are using, okay? Now, when scrubbing, I will not advise you to scrub every day. That's very wrong. Never you scrub your skin every day, no matter how hard your skin is. If your skin is very hard, you may scrub twice a week or highest 3 times. But if you have a soft skin, sensitive skin, please, once a week is enough. Once a week is enough. All right, so without talking too much now, let's dive into the main part. I know that's what you're waiting for, so let's dive into the main part. The first product on my list is La Fresh Exfoliating Scrub. This product has a lot of varieties. Like, it has so many different, the one made with papaya, the one made with apricot, and the one made with rice milk, and a lot more. This product is very good. It's very gentle to the skin. You can use it on your face and your body. It smells so amazing. It has this rich creamy texture that I really love about it, and it's not harsh to the skin. So if you have a softer skin, you should be using this particular one, okay? So this one is very gentle to the skin, and you can as well use it on your face and your body. This product will go a long way in exfoliating and removing dead skin cells on your skin, and thereby opening your skin pores for your product to work better. The second one I have here is Dove Exfoliating Scrub Polish. This is another gentle scrub that is very good to the skin. This is another gentle skin that you can use on your body and your face. It's very mild and it's very gentle to the skin. It is not a harsh scrub. It's very gentle to the skin. It nourishes the skin and deeply exfoliates the skin, thereby opening out your skin pores. It also brightens the skin, removes dead skin cells, thereby revealing that brighter, smoother and softer skin. This Dove Exfoliating Scrub is very good to be used on your face and your body. It's very gentle scrub that will help to gently nourish, moisturize and scrub your skin without hurting your skin. The third one I have here is Care Beauty Spa Lightening Scrub. This one is perfect for people that have hard skin. If you think your skin is hard, that nothing penetrates through your skin, no scrub works for you, you should try this one. But if you have sensitive or softer skin, maybe you should try the first 2 I've mentioned, okay? This one is a salt-based scrub that is made with tomato, vitamin E, C and AHA. This scrub deeply exfoliates the skin, refreshes the skin, and opens out your skin pores so that your skincare product will penetrate into your skin and work better. It reveals that softer, smoother, and brighter skin underneath the dead skin cells. Please, this one is better used on the body. Do not use it on your face because it's harsh a bit. It's a bit harsh. It's better for people that have hard skin. You know, if you have hard skin that you think nothing penetrates on your skin, please use this particular scrub. It is going to work perfect on your skin. Okay, the fourth one I have here is 3 hot scrub. This is one of my favorite scrub. It contains Moroccan argan oil and shea butter. It is also made with a lot of natural oils like Moroccan argan oil as mentioned before, rose hip, evening primrose, avocado, macadamia, sweet almond, soft flower, and orange oils. This one is packed with a lot of oils, so this is going to deeply moisturize it. While it exfoliates your skin, it will moisturize your skin. So it's not going to leave your skin dry and tacky. No, it will moisturize your skin, deeply moisturize your skin, deeply exfoliate your skin, and open out your skin pores. So if you have a hard skin, you should go for this, and please do not use it on your face. You should get another scrub for your face and then use this one on your body. This one works better on the body. Okay, I've mentioned 2 scrubs that you can use on your face, and I've as well mentioned 2 scrubs you can use on your body. Okay, so I'm trying to balance the equation here. I think the 5th and the final one I have here is Skin Doctor scrub. Yeah, Skin Doctor has a lot of different varieties of scrubs, and these scrubs are amazing. They are gentle scrub that you can use on your face and your body as well. They are gentle scrub that would moisturize and exfoliate your skin as well. But the one I would recommend is the one that is made with papaya. Yes, this particular one, I'll be leaving the picture on the screen, is amazing. It's a very nice exfoliating scrub that will brighten up your skin, deeply exfoliate your skin, and open out your skin pores. This scrub is going to quickly remove impurities and brighten up your skin tone. It helps to exfoliate and clear out dead skin cells and give you that brighter skin, that brighter, softer skin underneath the dead skin cells. Okay, so you should try out any of these scrubs. These scrubs are amazing scrubs that will not give you micro tears or any other issues. Okay, please, if you have a hard skin, pick from the 2 I mentioned that are for hard skin people. So if you have a softer skin, you should pick from the 3 I mentioned that are for soft skin people, okay, or sensitive skin people. If your skin is sensitive, these 3 I mentioned, like the La Fresh, the Dove, and the Skin Doctor, these 3 is very good for people that have soft skin. Okay, and you can as well use these 3 on your face. The skin on the face is softer as compared to the ones on the body. Okay, so anything you are using on your face, you should make sure that it will suit the skin on the face. So if you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done that already, and share this video to your friends. I'm going to see you guys in my next video.